PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday afternoon, the 12th day of May. Alabama's weather mostly dry for a change, as expected. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. We'll begin with the Tuscaloosa Skycam. A partly sunny sky there that is looking east from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. And the Birmingham Metro, that's the Trussville Skycam. Mostly cloudy there, a few blue spots above. And pretty much the same sky from Demopolis down in Marengo County that is just below the confluence of the Black Warrior and the Tombigbee Rivers from the Demopolis Civic Center. Here's our water vapor satellite shot this afternoon. Again, we are on the southern edge of the westerlies. There is a trough over the northeast that's given that front just enough push to get down to the south. And accordingly, any showers are way down south. That's the Mobile radar. And even down there, not much happening. Just a couple of isolated showers over Mobile County. Some light rain over the Florida Panhandle. But most of Alabama dry today. Convective outlook for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. Got a slight risk of severe weather across the nation's breadbasket. Also parts of West Texas and West Oklahoma. Tomorrow could be a big severe weather day for places like St. Louis and Chicago. A moderate risk there, a slight risk all the way from the Red River up to near Green Bay. Look at the probabilities. Very, very high numbers from St. Louis to Chicago. And that's almost high-risk country right there. Could be some violent long-track tornadoes if this is right. And on day 3, just a small slight risk out in West Texas. QPF map, expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning at 7. That's suggesting rain of about 3/4 of an inch here. Heavier rains up north. We figure we'll see more than that. Although the big rains could hold off until Sunday. That's when a pretty decent surface boundary comes in here. Look at the modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow. You see that upper level trough up north around here. The winds aloft are light and variable. Down below, deepening surface low up in Canada. And again, that could set the stage for the severe weather problems from St. Louis to Chicago. But around here, the moisture gradually comes back. Doesn't look like a big rain day, just the chance of an afternoon shower in spots. And really, the northeastern part of the state could stay dry completely. Tomorrow, or Thursday, the moisture is deeper. And certainly with a look like that, we'll mention scattered showers and storms, the better chance during the afternoon and evening. Same thing Friday, very moist air. No major trigger, but with that kind of air mass, you have to mention at least a chance of showers and possibly a storm. And Saturday, the same deal, very moist air. Scattered showers and storms will stay in the forecast. Now Sunday, you can see that trough rotating through the east, and that's going to drive a cold front down this way. The latest GFS run showing the cold front near Nashville and Memphis at early afternoon Sunday. And again, this could be a day with some pretty hefty storms, maybe some heavy rain at times. And then Monday, the latest model run, not really showing a big chunk of dry air. It's still got some green here, but I do think there's a reasonable chance we go dry Monday. We've got that in the forecast. We'll leave that for now. And Tuesday of next week looks relatively dry as the moisture is shunted down to the south and a surface low develops over the Florida peninsula. Let's skip out there to the end of the forecast period, May the 28th. Again, the prime westerlies are up north. The winds here light and variable up top. And again, kind of a moist air mass, and that looks fairly benign with warm and muggy conditions and inevitably some risk of showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.